Welcome everyone on TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to download and install the Yahoo application. So for that, first of all, open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. If you are using an iOS device, open the App Store and download the application from there. So once you open the Google Play Store, tap on the search bar and there type in Yahoo and tap on search. There's the Yahoo application. Now you tap on install and wait for the application to be downloaded. Yahoo is a means of sending a mail from one mail to the another recipient email address. You can type in the email and you can also attach files, folder, documents to be sent to the recipient email address. That is the Yahoo account. And with that, the application has been downloaded. Now you tap on open, and with that you have successfully downloaded and installed the Yahoo application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.